Hi guys, so my name is Rafael, or at home they call me Wancho. The name of my page is actually the shortcut of Scrutiny. And Scrutiny, it's simply as saying discovery of the unknown or to discover the unknown, more on the experimental side of things. And to be honest, for this page that I am about to create, I still don't have the exact idea about what to content. Pero siguro yung first thing na pumapasok sa isip ko is kung ano ba yung so far or recently or let's say lately, ano ba yung parang hilig ko, which is food. And when I say food, it's more about yung let's say food tasting somewhere when I go out and eat in a specific restaurant or a random restaurant rather, cook food. Although for cooking, guys, I'm not good. Okay, to be honest, I'm not good at cooking. It's just that when I do cook, I just basically follow what I see online. You know, people post recipes, post the ingredients and stuff, and I do it from there. Siguro there are times lang na it's not that I'm not following yung exact procedure yung recipe, but most of the time I do tweak it. Let's say dumidepende dun sa panglasa ko or kung paano ko siya gustong lutuin. Yun na lang yung naiiba. And then yun, well, nakapag-post naman na ako ng 3 first videos ko on this page before itong introduction na ginagawa ko ngayon. So weird, no? Nauna yung videos bago tong introduction. But anyway, yun. And then siguro, other than that, other than food, family, siguro, family content, more on yung travel, yung pag-travel namin. Kasi yung partner ko nga, well, she's sleeping right now, but yung partner ko is mahilig siya mag-travel. And dahil naging passion niya yun, parang nahawa na din ako dun sa kanya and na-enjoy ko na din siya. So, kung titignan mo naman yung composition ng mga bagay-bagay is food, travel, parang perfect combo din naman. Kasi when we get to travel, we also prioritize yung pagtikim din ng mga iba't ibang pagkain doon. Although yung mga napupuntahan pa lang naman namin is some places sa Southeast Asia, like yun nga, Taiwan, Japan, Thailand, Hong Kong, Vietnam, etc. And syempre, kasama si daughter. By the way, I have a daughter na. She just turned 11 itong last August 13. Although most of the time kung nagta-travel kaming dalawa lang ni partner. So pero pag pina-permit naman ng time and nagsiswak naman dun sa schedule, nasasama namin yung daughter namin when we get to travel. So yun. And then the other thing that I'm thinking about is, although hindi naman ako hardcore gamer, but I do play games. I don't have a console though. Actually, I only used my mobile phone to play games, like yung mga basic na games or yung mga online multiplayer games na nalalaro via mobile. And I don't have plans din naman to buy console kasi I don't see it na need ko siya. So, anyway, going back, pagdating naman sa games, kasi naalala ko nung pandemic, I was I was planning to try, pero hindi lang matuloy-tuloy gawa nga nung yun nga, wala ako sa mood, or siguro yung confidence level ko din, wala akong lakas ng loob pa to try during that time. So yun, pwede ko din siyang gamitin. So diba? If you can see the bigger picture, it's very random yung mga pinagsasabi ko. So that's what I meant by scrutinize. It's more of the on the experimental side. And why? Kasi I wanna learn and I wanna discover it myself kung ano ba yung mas pwede kong tutukan. And kung ano yung mas pwede kong tutukan, doon papasok yung consistency. Ika nga nila, di ba? Consistency is the key for you to, let's say, to master kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. And it doesn't make sense naman kung ipipilit ko yung content na hindi ko naman pala talaga passion, or di ba bigla akong ma-realize na hindi naman pala ito yung forte, hindi naman pala ito nag-work and everything. So yun lang. And yeah, and the reason why I'm here now is I am very inspired dun sa mga vloggers, influencers na napapanood ko, most especially yung mga food vlogs or food vloggers. Yan, kung kilala nyo sila, Mark Waynes rather, yung Chewy Show, yung mga ganyan, sila Sohi, dami pang iba. Nakakatuwa lang kasi parang alam niyo yun, they get to do, I think they're happy with what they're doing, and nakikita ko na ang saya naman nito, kumakain sila ng food, nakapunta sila kung saan. So alam mo yun, hindi siya naiinggit ako parang nakakatuwa, parang gusto ko tong itry, parang feeling ko kaya ko siyang gawin. Anyway, yun. I don't know kung may mga sense yung mga pinagsasabi ko earlier, pero yun nga, I'm hoping na when I get to upload more videos, I'm hoping na makasama ko pa rin kayo, itong mga first subscribers ko, and syempre, more to come as I go along, as you go with me along the way dun sa journey ko. Yun lang. Thank you. And ingat po lahat.